The Ffestiniog Railway. A busy weekend for this popular narrow gauge railway in North Wales. They're celebrating 150 years of service. Boston Lodge works are open to visitors and a great many locomotives are in steam and running around. Most of them look very odd and some of them run on oil instead of coal.
Not this line.
Prince is one of the oldest locos here still in service. It will soon be taking its turn to haul the many extra trains laid on for this special weekend. On loan from the Leighton Buzzard narrow gauge railway is the De Winton Challoner. Also here with it is Hunslet Britomart. Originally, trains ran by gravity down the line from the quarries carrying slate. So today, a replica train has been made up and is giving demonstration runs. But first, it's steam-hauled up the line and afterwards will return to Minforth station by gravity, but with railway staff to control it. Today the line is a great tourist attraction and packed trains travel up the line to Ffestiniog. The heavy trains all demand double heading for the large number of passengers being carried on this special weekend. Here at Ffestiniog, passengers can change onto a local BR diesel train.